Hey guys, Jimmy Vegas here, and something I get asked quite a bit is it possible to make apps in Unity? And the answer to that, well, the short answer is yes, it is. The long answer is depending on what app you're trying to make, it can vary on how you produce it in Unity. So, for example, if you make a game as an app, yes, it's going to be roughly the same as what you do. You'd make a game, port it, and you would have an app. If you have, let's say, a quiz app, or a little, just a little something app which isn't relative to a game in any kind of way, then it could be a little bit different. So it would depend on if you want portrait or landscape, so landscape like what I have here, or you could switch around your Unity layout like this. And you would see here, so I have something set up. It's just a quick little scene that I've taken from the asset store, modified a little bit. And if you fancy taking a look at this, then please do. It is low poly, you'll be able to find it. So all I've really done is just add a couple of buttons, and if you could imagine this being the phone screen or the tablet screen, whatever, and you would use it in pretty much the same way. So the great thing about Unity is that buttons, in this case, can be used just no extra code, and they can just be touched on the screen. And there's also little things you can get from the asset store. Well, I say the asset store more, the app store for the phone, and all that kind of thing, and you can actually test it on the phone before you even release it. So the simplicity of it all is absolutely unbelievable. So, for example, if we want to create a little button for Facebook, we could just simply add in a button and add in that Facebook icon, and shift it onto the screen where you want. So have that as 50, take away the color so it's actually blue, and delete the text which is attached to there, and quite simply, there's our button. Now, there are tutorials that I have for you, for example, how you can use that Facebook button to open up a link to Facebook. And once again, it's a case of, you could just tap it and there it is. So a lot of apps are done two-dimensionally. So although I have this as a three-dimensional scene, you could do it that way if you wanted to. You absolutely could. But, well, at this point, I actually have an upcoming series on making a cool little quiz app. So keep an eye out for that. That would be a lot of fun to do. But making an app in Unity is entirely possible. It's quite similar to the process, like I say, of making a video game. It's just up to you how you want to display it. So as I say, I would be making this app in portrait mode, so I'd have it like this, and it's great. So all I would recommend is, if you want to make an app, figure out what type of app you're making, and then literally just try and make it, because it's going to be a lot more UI than actual development of a scene. So guys, I hope that helps, and if you want to know any more, please leave a comment below in the comments, and I will try and get back to you. One extra thing to note is entirely possible to put ads via Unity into an app, but that's a situation for a whole other video. So guys, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you learned something.